You ever walk into a restaurant and instantly fall in love with the vibes? Today I'm taking you to a magical location, Toro, a Spanish fusion restaurant, and we're gonna meet the owner and executive chef. Come with me, I'm your host, Melissa Albert, and this is The American Dream. I'm here today with Sasha Mandrapa. He's the executive chef and owner of Toro here in Bowling Green. I'd love to share with the viewers what inspired you to create a Spanish fusion restaurant.
Living in Bowling Green, Kentucky, and what I would like to eat is one of those things that what was missing in Bowling Green. And Spanish fusion from Spain, Argentina, Brazil, Peru, Mexico, and what I, my friends, and my family would like to eat, and that's where the idea came from.
One of the things I love is you have wines from all over the world. What inspired you for that?
With our concept of the Spanish fusion, idea was to explore South America, South Africa, Portugal, Spain, and stuff like that, to bring something new to Bowling Green. Wine notes from all over the world.
And it's delicious. What is your favorite dish that you serve here at Toro?
Paella definitely is one of them, which is a Spanish classic. And then we have few Peruvian dishes. Pollo a la brasa is my favorite. Lamb chops, of course. So we have different cuts of the beef and everything else that we try and do something unique when it comes to Bowling Green palate.
And you have such a loyal following, and even within your servers, that's unheard of in the restaurant business. So how do you create that vibe where people love working with you?
Treat people and your team as you want to be treated. So making sure they're happy when they come to work. I don't want to be drudging coming to work and everything else. We're trying to create the ambiance and energy that I think all of our teammates love that we have over here, not just in Toro and the rest of our restaurants in Bowling Green.
Love it. Well, we're so lucky that you're here and in Bowling Green, and thank you for joining us. Let's go try some food.
Please do.
We've experienced some amazing food here, but now I want to take you to another experience, an immaculate neighborhood that is one of my favorites in Bowling Green. Let's go. Now let's go to one of my favorite neighborhoods here in Bowling Green, Fountain Trace, with exceptional large lots and estate homes. I'm going to take you on a sneak peek. Once you're inside the home, a smart open floor plan instantly makes you feel at home. The kitchen is where form meets function. Smart Samsung appliances and open sightlines into the den and dining room make it an ideal space for gatherings. And the sunroom is light-filled and versatile, perfect for music, an office, or a cozy nook. The primary suite is a true retreat. I love the private sitting area and the spa-like bath. Take a look at those soaring ceilings. One of the things I love about homes in South Central Kentucky is that people embrace bonus rooms. The extra space above a garage never goes to waste. And this home, they've outfitted with a pool table and a bar, a true entertainment space. Outside is like a private getaway. Whether it's coffee in the morning or stargazing at night, I love spaces where I can just unwind. Bowling Green has soul. You taste it at Toro with tapas, tequila, and togetherness. And you live it right here in Fountain Trace with elegance, space, and sanctuary. This is more than real estate. This is the American dream. I'm your host, Melissa Albert, and I hope you'll join us again next time.